We think it's a good introduction of the trip. Now let's start from the beginning. We had an early 6 o'clock start of the day.
Today we are at a very special place to see a very special thing. We are at Les Pléiades to see the beauty of Narcissus flower. Les Pléiades is a very beautiful mountain region at the Pleiades of Canton Vaud. This lovely wooden path directly leads to the flower field.
And on the way you can see these little creatures if you come early.
Almost there. Finally, we are with the white beauty.
The narcissus in this region is also known as May snow. They bloom in April and May and they transform the meadow above Montreux and Vevey into a white perfumed landscapes. Les Pléiades is one of the best places to witness the amazing spectacle of nature. It also has an amazing view of Lac Léman region. A beautiful cockerel can take you all the way to the Les Pléiades from the nearby city of Vevey via Blonay. A lovely circular hiking path runs along the spectacular Narcissus fields.
This is so magical. I wish we could record the fragrance. Finally, we are at the photo location. We'll stay here till sunset.
hope you have enjoyed the tour of the Narcissus fields. At the end of the video, we have created a small guide on how you can do it yourselves.
If you go by train, you will probably start at Les Pléiades train station. You can take that cute little cog railway from the city of Vevey all the way up to Les Pléiades. From the train station, take the path going down. After a little distance, turn left to the path going up to the mountain. Here you will see the first glimpse of the Narcissus field on the right. It's a little field, but a good introduction to the Mesno. The path slowly goes up into the wood. A bit more walk and you are at the top of the hill. And then you start your descent. In a short while, you will come to a massive Narcissus field on your right. Go till the end of the main trail where it turns left. You will find a footpath going straight into the field. Take that path. Be careful and follow the footstep. Don't step onto the plants. This is the most magical part of the hike. With right light, it looks like this. Take your time and enjoy the view and the fragrances of the Mesno. After that, follow the trail down to the little chalet and turn right from there. Keep following the path straight and in a short distance you will find another field of yellow dwarf. Some more walk will take you to a large parking spot. From the parking spot, keep going right following the tar road. You will reach Lally train station. Cross the train line, follow the path on your right. After some time, you will end up in another field. Here you can go right and enjoy the view of the Narcissus field along with the plain of Montreux, Villeneuve, Dent-du-Midi in the background, and a partial view of La Clément. With right light, it looks like this. Voila! There you would complete your natural experience of the Mesno. Now take the train from the Lally station and go back to Vevey. If you come by car, you can do the same trip or you can make the trip in the opposite direction from the car parking. Go early as the parking can get full very quickly in the weekend and public holidays. And in that case, you will be stopped somewhere here and you have to park all the way down here. It is not really a problem because there is a small trail that is going up and meeting on the same direction.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please let us know if that short description of the trail was useful or not in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of our upcoming videos. You will find the link of the maps in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment and we will do our best to respond. Take care and see you soon.